Alexa, what time is it? So 1:19 a.m. So we'll be making this pork curry for the last 3 hours. I got a bunch of that gravy out. So here's that gravy. Do a little dip with some white bread. Bruh. Now that's what I call flavor. Merry Christmas. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Feast with Pete. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. So today we're making some pork curry. So not any regular pork curry. This is Sri Lankan black pork curry. So I'm adding some turmeric, some black pepper. I use pork shoulder for this and some Alaea red Hawaiian salt. Now this is good because that's what they use for the Kalua pork over there in Hawaii. So I was like, why not use it for the pork? Added some soy sauce right there, and you can add regular salt too. And right there I'm adding a little bit of tamarind. So what you're gonna do is a two parts marinade. So you're gonna marinate this for like 30 minutes, and then you're gonna come out and then put some more stuff on it. Okay, so you got some ginger and garlic. So I'm gonna crush that, actually, kind of like really crush that, and then I'm gonna add that to the marinade. Now if you have ginger garlic paste, you can add that, but I didn't have that, so I took some ginger and garlic and did my thing. And now you want to add some roasted curry powder. Now this is what makes it the blackness of the pork. And right now I'm adding some chili powder. Okay, now it's gonna give a little spicy. It's gonna elevate the spice level to it. You gotta add that Sri Lankan cinnamon powder, ginger garlic paste, and then you just want to mix it up. Okay, now this is the second marinade. Now this is gonna go for another 30 minutes. Now why not add all this and marinate for an hour? You can do that too. Now some red wine for my colonizers, for the Portuguese folks. Add some Portuguese red wine, marinate for another 30 more minutes. Right now, getting started on the sauteing part. Got some onions in there, got some curry leaves in there, got some Serranos in there, the Sri Lankan Trinity right there going on, right? So just want to saute that for a little bit. Add some tomatoes, and you want to saute that for a little bit, and then you want to add the marinated pork. Okay, now this pork has been marinating for an hour. Now total cook time, we're gonna cook this for about 3 hours and 20 minutes, or 3 hours and 30 minutes, because you want this pork really soft. Okay, now depending on the cuts of pork you add, your cook time can vary. Now I added some water. Now if you want to add less water and add more water as you go on, you can do that, but I added some more water. I cleaned the pan with the marinade, added that water, and added some clean water as well. Now what you want to do is you want to bring this to a boil, and before that, add some lemongrass. Okay, add some lemongrass because you need to have that lemongrassy flavor for your pork curry. So you want to stir all the ingredients together, and then you want to bring this to a boil, okay, for like 20 minutes. If it's a big pan like this, it's going to take a while. Okay, so it's edited for time. Of course, you want to bring this to a nice boil before you cover the lid and let it cook on medium-low heat for 1 hour. And then you're going to put it on low heat for like 2 hours. And while was this going on, I was playing with my daughter. I'm so excited to have a newborn baby. And I came back to check on my pork curry, and it was still going. The gravy was nice, and you see all that fat separation right there. You need that. Okay, if you put in pork shoulder with a little bit of fat, that's gonna happen. Okay, so don't be scared. Fat means flavor, y'all. And now you want to put it for 2 hours, and then go play with your baby, do whatever you got to do, come back and check on the curry, and it's gonna go like that. And if you like it like that, you can just eat it like that. Now if you don't like the gravy, you want to let this thing boil for another 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so uncovered, so it gets rid of the water. And I had to bring this next day to a Christmas party, so it was already pretty late the day I made this, so I was gonna finish this up at my mom's. Apama, what are you doing?
I'm fry cutlets.
Cutlets. Look at all these cutlets that need to be fried. Man, my mom makes the best cutlets, and I'm gonna show y'all how to do that with her one of these days. But then what I was doing is I was just finishing up the curry, and then basically my friend Shamron's gonna let you know how he likes it. All right, Shamron gonna taste test this pork curry. Where's that? I think it's right there. There you go.
I'm gonna taste the pork curry.
The black pork curry. Chatro, you're missing out.
Oh my god. It's spicy. Hella creamy.
Okay.
And that with rice.
Good, huh? So y'all heard the man. It's delicious with rice. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video for the YouTube algorithm, and don't forget to feast with Pete.